At this point, it definitely still looks like a tongue. A big. We are making beef tongue for tacos today in the crock pot. So it's about 6:30 in the morning and I'm prepping everything I need, which is one whole white onion and about four cloves of garlic that I'm going to smash and drop into my crock pot. And here's my beef tongue. It smelled so gnarly. I was really trying not to barf because of the smell and the texture and the fact that it was early. But yeah, I had to get this in before work so it would be ready by the time I got off. And yeah, so once you wrestle with your tongue, you want to rinse it and then pat it dry before you season it liberally with salt and pepper on both sides. I like to season it very, very well. And then I add about a cup of water, a bay leaf, and then I'm going to cover it, set my crock pot to on high and let it
Giving you
go.
guys a slightly fresher angle
And here
today,
we
and
go.
that's because I really wanted you to kind of see the size of this giant tongue. Um, but yeah, so I pulled my lengua off the crock pot and I just let it kind of sit for a little bit. This is what we're working with. It's so massive.
What that tongue do though? I'm just kidding. Yeah.
Yeah. I get really like skeeved out by this part. I've never gotten used to it. I've only made lengua on my own a couple of times prior to this, but I grew up watching my mom make it all the time. So once it cooks for some time, the skin should peel off pretty easily. As you can see, this is the skin right here. It just separates from the rest of the tongue, just like that. My lengua is nice and clean now. So at this point, I'm not sure if I overcooked it or not. I'm going to move it onto my cutting board and start chopping it to prepare to make tacos, which is how my family likes to eat it. Going to grab my lengua and plop it on here, and yeah, just like kind of go at it. Very well seasoned. It looks like that when it's done. If you've never had lengua before, it's a very nice and tender part of the cow. It does have a slight metallic flavor, which is why you want to make sure to season it really well.